If you want to import a block not created by Specifi and not Specifi standard, you can use insert block command of AutoCAD, or I prefer to use the classic insert, for instance. First of all, in my drawing, I want to remove this oven, and I click remove. And now I want to import a block I downloaded from web. In order to do that, in command line, I type classic insert, or you can use also insert block. Now I can browse and search for the block I want to insert. As you can see, this is a 3D block. When I click open, AutoCAD, if you use classic insert, shows also information about the block unit. In this case, it's saying that the block has been made in inches and it will use 25.4 to convert from inches to millimeters. That's the reason why I prefer to use the classic insert. It's faster, and also I have this information available that I can read. Make sure explode option must be deactivated, and we can leave insertion point and rotation angle on screen, and I can press OK button. Ignore. Now I can insert here at the corner, and I can choose the rotation angle, so I move to the left for rotation angle. If needed, you can select your block, you can use the grip, or you can use move command of AutoCAD just to move the block to the right position. In this case, you can put it over there. Now, as you can see, your block has been inserted. If you want to see also in 3D, you can move to isometric view just to see. Here we have the block just inserted. I do not apply shading, otherwise it will be slower. I come back to plan now, and the only difference between the Specifi equipment and this block is that, first of all, this block, as you can see many colors, okay, because it's not created following the Specifi standard, so the layers are not Specifi layers. And this block has been inserted probably in one layer, as you can see, on 0 layer. Secondly, this block doesn't have any item number in front of equipment. In order to add the item number, to add also information about this block, okay, you can use edit equipment. So you can use edit command. Running edit, I can select my block, and when I select the block, edit shows convert to editable. Clicking this, convert to editable. Okay, as you can see, it gives me some information, generic information converted, and some text, okay, also for supplier, manufacturer. Here it insert a code, a generic code, generic model. If you want now, you can change this information, just retrieving, for example, typing the name of the manufacturer and supplier, and if you have the code, you can type here the code and model. You can set dimensions because the software retrieves the dimension directly from the block. And in description, you can also copy. Okay, and if you want also the long description, you can paste directly and click apply. In this way, you added the item to your drawing. Okay, so now you can also make the schedule and synchronize with the quotation, and your item will be an item of your cooking area in this case. If you want, you can also renumber it. But as you can see, it's quite simple to import an external block and set all the parameters directly using edit equipment, converting first of all in order to assign also the item number.